Hello everyone. Today we're going to be practicing the letters D and S again. All right, but first I have some other letters that I want to see if you remember. Who remembers this letter? A. How about this letter? G. When we see the keyword card, we would say A, apple, ah. G, game, g. Now the letters this week are the letters D and the letter S. This is the letter D. This is a picture of a dog. The word dog starts with the letter D. The sound that the letter D makes is D. So when we see this, we could say D, dog, D. This is the letter S. This is a picture of a snake. The word snake starts with S. The sound that the letter S makes is S. S, snake. S. All right, I'm going to mix these cards up. Let's see who knows. What letter is this? What letter is this? What letter is this? What letter is this? All right, I'm going to do it again and let's see if we know without the picture. What letter is this? This is the letter A. What letter is this? This is the letter G. What letter is this? This is the letter D. And what letter is this? This is the letter S. First, we are going to make the letter D. D is a plain line, round letter. So this is the plain line. It starts on the plain line, just like A and C. Point to the plain line, go back, down, and around to the grass line, all the way up to the skyline, and trace back down to the grass line. D, dog, D. Now we're going to do it again. Point to the plain line, go back down, around to the grass line, and all the way up to the skyline. Trace back down to the grass line. D, dog, D. Now, if you have the smaller side, it would look the same. We would start on the plain line and go around and down and all the way up to the skyline and trace back down. D, dog, D. Now we are going to write our other letter of the week, which is S. S is a plain line, round letter. It starts on the plain line. Point to the plain line. Trace back, and it curves in and goes back again and down to the grass line. S, snake, S. Point to the grass line. Trace back, and it curves in and goes back again and lands on the grass line. S, snake, S. And if you have your smaller lines at home, we would work the same way. We would start on the plain line, go ahead back, and it curves in and again, and make your S.